Hello, happy Sunday everyone. I just attend birthday with my friends and we're walking back to the MRT station here in Towapayo. So we're walking going to the MRT station. There's markets here. It's the building, the tall building, HDB here. Towapayo, see the sunrise. It's almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And, oh, so cute. So cute the doggy. With my friends taking photo. It's a very tall building. It's a private condominium. So I take time to take a video here while walking because we eat a lot at the party, so need to burn all the calories because we eat the Filipino food, the barbecue, pork barbecue. So we're walking back to the MRT station. So this is my first time here. Basketball court. It's nice to do walking. We're not rushing. We're exploring Singapore. We don't know where to go, but we are looking for the nearest MRT station. Shortcut. In the morning we go to El Shaddai anniversary. So this is HDB here in Singapore. So we're not walking on the main street. We're doing, see the place, all HDB. I'm looking for the building because it's very tall. This is a park. See? See my friends there.
That is Towapayo, te? Nagsimba tayo before?
Towapayo, Christ the King Church. Christ the King Church. See, we're together, we're exploring, we don't know where to go. So she's our leader. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Convent of the Infant Jesus Primary School. So we're here in the Convent of the Holy Infant Jesus Primary School in Towapayo, Singapore. You see, it's nice to walk because of the trees, relaxing. And then I'm crossing the street. So look at the right and look at the left. MRT. It's red already. Red.
அதுல போய் தொங்க போட்டு
Red.
வாங்கி தட்டுமா
கிராஸ் பண்ணுவோமா
போடணும்
Just wait. Yes, we cannot run. See, there is the... Where is the HDB? And we need to cross. We need to cross the line. MRT station, bus interchange. So we go there. We need to go there in that place. So waiting. We're going to cross the street. Shared truck. 2, 3. Crossing time. Masyado siya. Bus 213. Bus stop. There's bus stop. 213 bus stop. So we're on shortcut going to MRT station. This is HDB. We're below the HDB. Oh, this very nice view. See, this is a park. Relaxing. It's nice to relax here. Oh, very nice design. Love it. Diamond. See? The color is very nice. This is the fitness corner. Fitness corner. Welcome to the Toa Payoh Green. So we're here. In the park. You see? Welcome to Toa Payoh Green. See, the color of the HDB is very colorful. Very nice. See the bridge. HDB. HDB. You see that building, there's a hanging place, a very tall building. We're going to MRT. Where is the MRT? Where is the MRT? Where's the road going to MRT? Parang mayroon doon kanina road arrow to MRT. Sana kaya kami. Naka-heels kami, naka-heels. Tapos hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Tama ba to? Hindi is... Tama ba ito? Papunta ba itong MRT? Ng aking partner, naka-high heel. Tapos nag-walking lang kami. Where is the MRT? Ang ingay-ingay pa ng ibon. Ingay-ingay ng ibon. Wow, pink. Peach or pink? You see the... You see the building? You see the building, guys? You see the building, guys? Very high. this MRT? Parang hindi. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Tama to ha? MRT na to ha? Sakit na kaya pa ako. Instead of we're going to attend Zumba, we enjoy chatting with our friends at the party. So we don't know that it's already 5 o'clock. So quit. Fast first. So I don't know if this is correct. You see the building, it's very nice color. Parang doon yata tayo sa kabila dapat. Hindi na tayo tumawid ng ano, hindi na tayo tumawid ng HDB. Dapat ano na lang tayo doon sa kalsada papunta doon. This is stairway. Tapos yung dala-dala ko, 2 bag. Kasi this is my Zumba things. My yoga, may Zumba things, and this is my things when I need to ride na bus. Bus pa ba tayo, Day? MRT. We are on highway. This is private condominium. Saan na yung MRT? Parang iba na to. You search MRT. Cute na to. Hindi na nakikita sa sobrang liit. Parang hindi na to, girl. Parang hindi na to papuntang MRT. Parang wala nang route na MRT. Parang kanina dun nakalagay to MRT. Kasi di ba kanina pagtawid natin may nakalagay to MRT. 129. Unfinished? Oh, go. I will follow you. Oh my God. Tawid tayo. MRT na, ano na yan dyan? Google. Ay, Google mo. MRT na yan? Ah, siguro.
Ayaw, ito pa yung interface. Ay, dali. Sakay tayo. Tatawagan mo ba? Dali.
Tuwapayo interchange. Yung Baro, Tuwapayo interchange. We're here by for a while. Okay. Thank you.
Ang layo-layo pa nang nilakad natin.
Sakay na lang kami bus. Kasi naligaw kami. Hindi namin makita yung MRT station eh. Sakay na lang kami. Bye for a while. Sunday everyone. God bless.